Now we're gonna see how we did at the planer, if we got these to the right size. So I'm gonna put two of them together. Remember, these are 9/16, and this is my 1/8 inch side. Turn this so you can see it a little bit. And I put these in here, and I see that I'm right on the money. This is perfectly flush, and if it's a little bit off, remember, we want it to be off small. So we don't want it sticking out into the gap at all. So now that I know this is in good shape, I can go ahead and attach it. To attach it, I'm going to use staple gun with 1-inch staples. Okay, so I load the 1-inch staples into the staple gun, and I have to put one of these in at a time. I don't want to put two at a time because I don't have staples that are long enough to go through both of these and get into this board very well. So I am going to line up the bottom of my buildup here with the bottom of the rail, hold it in place, and shoot 3 staples. So glue and 3 staples is all that you need. And then I'm gonna attach the second piece of buildup. A little bit of glue, put it right in there. That side's good. Now I'm gonna check this side. That side, thickness is all good. So I am going to get this in as well. So now we have our buildup in. That way when I put in my drawer slides, they will have something to attach to, and they'll be nice and solid, especially after that glue dries.